Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing well, you guys already saw the title, the headband wig. And I literally just found out that this existed, and I'm trying to figure out why you guys didn't put me on because, child, this is amazing. Okay, so I am doing the Beauty Forever hair. And you guys will not believe where I got this hair from. I ordered this hair from Amazon, y'all. I ordered this from Amazon, and I am like shook. I am so geeked about this because you can get anything off Amazon, and it's crazy. All right, so this is, it came with this wig cap. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this little cute headband. Pretty cute. I should have put on something to match it. But yeah. I am so geeked about this, y'all, because I've been natural for some years, and you know, sometimes you just wanna straighten your hair, but you know, us natural girls, we don't be putting no heat in our hair. So you telling me I could just lay my edges down and put on this wig and then take it off at night? This is crazy. Another headband. Cute and simple. And you guys, this, oh my gosh, y'all kidding me, right? Nobody couldn't put me on about this. Yo, y'all, listen. Y'all serious right now? Y'all couldn't tell me? Y'all been wearing this for what, months now, and nobody couldn't tell me this existed? Y'all played yourself for real. It's cool. It is cool. This is the body wave from Beauty Forever. 20 inches, y'all. I mean, I don't wear weave, so I don't know if this is really 20 inches, but let's get into the hair, y'all. Let's get into this. I am shook. I am shook. I am so shook right now. Okay, we're gonna do this because, all right, so inside it has, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It has a little bra strap thingy too. I guess you can loosen this if your head is too big, like mine. Okay, so it has 4 combs. And I'm guessing you just put the combs into the wig cap. Let me see. Yo, I'm so shook. Okay. I don't know nothing about weaves. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna put this top one in right here. And if this wig cap fit me, y'all, it's gonna fit y'all because I got a big head. Okay. Let's get this past my, okay. Put this, that. Whoa. And it has the the Velcro that you just stick together in the back. Y'all. Let me see if y'all can see that. Let me put on, I should put on, even though I'm not wearing pink, I'm gonna put this one on because it's cute. Hold on, hold on. Let me put some earrings on. If you my friend and you've been wearing headband wigs and you ain't put me on, child, we got a problem. We got a problem. Because what? Y'all gonna stop playing with me. What? Mm-hmm. Yes. Yo. Get into it. Get into it. My natural girls, y'all better get into it. Y'all better get into it. Yo. I'm shook. I am shook. Shook, y'all. I've been fiending, dying for a nice little wig. And this is what I had to do? Just get a headband wig from Amazon? Oh, yeah. Kidding. Listen, I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. I mean, like, the hair speaks for itself, y'all. I'm geeked. I'm geeked about this hair. Like, y'all. Let me try a little something. Let me try a little something. But I got a spot on my. Giving me life. What? 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 What can y'all say bad about this hair? What can y'all say? Oh. Trying to be too cute. See, let me see. First of all, you could just put a ponytail. I ain't gonna do it because it's gonna take too much. A ponytail, because the headband, you know, it's covering all of that back there. You can take it put it up in a high bun. Let me see something real quick. I'll take some here, some right here. Where did the headband go? All right, let's start this over. Start this over. Alright, so we're gonna put this here like that. Split this in half. Take this, put that over it. Okay. This is supposed to be tucked in here. We can try the, let me see, one more, we're gonna try one more. Let's take this. Okay. Bounce it over this. And we're gonna try to get rid of this. Put it over that part. Y'all, I feel like there's so much you can do with this little headband wig, but I honestly really recommend this. Y'all saw how quick it took me to put it on. Quick. Isn't this the cutest though, y'all? Like, for real? It's giving me life, hunty. Okay, you guys. So this is the headband wig that you guys never told me about. Keeping secrets from me. But if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Click the post notification button so you can know when your girl posts. Okay? Show your girl some love, all right? But yes, y'all, this is it. And I will be back soon with another videos. Till then,